Check out this 2011 Ford Ranger. Carfax has certified this Ranger as having one owner. This Ranger has just under 55,500 miles. For your protection, a warranty is available for this vehicle. This vehicle gets an estimated 22 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 27 on the highway. This Ranger boasts a 2.3-liter inline-4 engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include power steering, AM/FM stereo, air conditioning and driver airbag. Call 866-655-8722 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.